Welcome to Learn English Stepwise Progress. Learn household chores with pictures.
I am drying the dishes. I am cooking dinner. I am washing the dishes. She is vacuuming the carpet. My sister is feeding the cat. He is fixing the door. She is watering the plants. We are hanging the clothes out. She is dusting the shelves. I am making the bed. He is making coffee. She is baking cookies. We are cleaning the windows. He is washing the car. I am doing the laundry. I am raking leaves. I am tidying up the room.
Thanks for watching.